Make sure you are using appropriate personal protective equipment and have reviewed the safety data sheet beforehand. If you have one available, using a small batch seed treater like a Heggie seed treater is preferable for research trials. Make sure you choose a bowl size that's adequate to the amount of seed you're testing. Clean all the equipment thoroughly before treating seeds and between treatments to avoid cross-contamination. 70% ethanol spray solution in clean paper towels are a good option for cleaning. Dish detergent and water can also work, but it will take longer for the bowl to be completely dry and may corrode the mechanisms over time. Start the bowl spinning for a few seconds until the seeds are tumbling uniformly. Pipette the appropriate amount of solution into the spinning disc in a slow but continuous stream. Continue tumbling the seed until the color appears to be uniformly distributed. Stop the bowl and pour out the seed into an open paper bag or tray to air dry thoroughly at room temperature and away from direct sunlight. Seed can be treated using clear plastic sealable bags. Polyethylene bags tend to be less reactive to different solutions, but regular store-bought, for example, Ziploc bags can work too. Measure and add the appropriate amount of treatment solution into a clean plastic bag. Expel the air from the bag, seal it, and rub the insides of the bag together until the solution is evenly distributed all over the inside of the bag. Add the seeds, close and shake the bag until no solution remains on the inside of the bag and the treatment is evenly distributed as indicated by color. Air dry the seeds thoroughly and out of direct sunlight following treatment. The same bag can be used between batches of the same treatment, but a new plastic bag should be used for each treatment. It is important to tumble the seed for only as long as it takes the treatment to get distributed. Usually, total tumbling time would be 1 minute or less, maybe up to 2 minutes if the treatment is slow to distribute. Tumbling seeds for longer increases the likelihood of damaging the seed and potential loss of treatment off of the seed. If the first batch of the seed treatment appears to be excessively wet, you may need to apply only part of the seed treatment solution, tumble, allow to dry, and repeat until the full volume is applied. This method should be avoided if possible due to the potential damage to the seed. If the stated application volume did not appear to be adequate to provide even distribution in the first batch of seed, it may be necessary to dilute the treatment solution and recalculate the amount of volume needed to apply the correct rate of product on the seed. If this is the case, dilute the treatment solution further only to achieve the distribution needed, using as little excess water as possible. Use the same dilution for all batches of a treatment. Examine the treated seed, look for the uniformity of the treatment among different seeds, and the uniformity of the treatment on the seed itself. You may see buildup of color or treatment along creases or rough areas of the individual seed, but as long as this is consistent across seeds, this is a good treatment.